Welcome again to the world of Shopify. In this guide today, we will explore the art of creating unique product pages to your brand style and identity. Unleash your creativity and learn the essential techniques to make your Shopify store truly stand out. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with more valuable tutorials on optimizing your Shopify store. Now let's kick off this journey by creating our store. After you log into your Shopify account, create another store by clicking this button here. Now I want to skip all these steps and jump into the topic immediately. Okay, the first thing we have to do after creating our store is to install a theme. So to install a theme, we go at the left panel and click Online Store. Now you can see that I have installed my current theme, Dawn. The Dawn theme is a very nice theme, but for this tutorial I want to use another theme. So I scroll down to the themes, and for this tutorial I want to use this Refresh by Shopify theme. So I click Add. Now Refresh is installing. Now Refresh is installed in my store, but I need to publish it to be active. So I click Publish. Click again Publish. And now Refresh is my current theme in my store. Now I want to see how my theme looks. So I click Customize. And this is how my store looks with Refresh theme. But today we are interested to see how we customize our product page. To customize our product page, we go here at the top, click Products, and usually we click Default Product for our template. But our store is empty as we don't have any product yet. So we have to create a new product and get back to design our product page. Then to add new products, we exit Theme Editor by clicking this icon at the top left. So click here Exit and go to Products. Now you see that we don't have any product yet. So we click Add Your Products. This is an interface where we add new products. This is the title of product, the description, medias like images and videos, pricing, inventory, and shipping. So let's add a new product. Okay, I've previously chosen a product, so I will just start and complete these fields. Now my product is ready to be published. So I click Save. And congratulations, I added my first product. I hope you added yours too. Now we get back to the theme editor by clicking Online Store and clicking Customize. Go to the selector at the top of your store, click Products, and now as you see we can click Default Product. Now you can see that we have a product in our store. This is the brand name, this is the product name, pricings, descriptions, images with galleries, etc. Now we want to customize how our product page looks. Okay, the first thing I want to do is to remove or add some items. So I want to remove this share button. So I just click on it and click this trash icon. Now my share button is removed. I want to add a blog, so click Add Blog and click Icon with Text. Here I want to make the layout vertical, and now let's edit the content of this blog. So in the first row I want to tell my customers that I do free shipping. So I added the first heading by typing free shipping and change the icon from heart to truck. Okay, so in the second row I want to show the transport duration, so I added the text to up to 5 business days and change the icon to lightning bolt. And in the third row I want to tell that I do 30 days return, so I change the text to 30 days return and change the icon to return. Okay, this looks good. Now I click save to save the changes. And now I also want to add the stock counter of the product. So I go here and click add block and select inventory status. So I click this and you can see that inventory status is added. I want to move it upper, so I go here and drag and drop just under the price. Now you can see that the stock is being shown. If I want to add it I also want to edit this, so I click here and select uppercase and make the low inventory threshold to 5. Okay, this looks pretty fine to me. Now I want to change the font of text, also the styles of buttons and other things. To do these changes, we go to theme settings, and now you can see that we can edit some theme settings. So the first thing I want to edit is colors. So click color, and this is our primary color for buttons. So we want to change it. Click here and paste your hex code or select your code from the color picker. Okay, this looks good. Now let's edit the color of this title. So we click on here text, and I want it to make it black. Okay, this looks pretty good for me. Now I want to change the fonts of the text. So close colors and select typography. Okay, this font is for titles and this font is for body text. For title font, I want to change this Archivo bold to right use. Select this font and click select. Also for body text, I want to change this font Questrial to space mono. Okay, select it and click select. Now this is how my page looks like. Now I want to edit the buttons, so go and close typography and click buttons. I won't change them too much, I just want to make the radius 0 pixels. So I want completely square buttons. Also for inputs, I want to make the corner radius 0. Okay, now we want to see how it looks in mobile view. Okay, the product image first, the content, description, and store features. So it looks very good to me. Now click save to save the changes. Switch to desktop view again, and to view our edits, click these 3 dots here and click view. Now we can see our product design here. Another thing we can do with Shopify is to create 2 templates and use them from different products. So let's try it. We go back to our store and add a new product. Click products, click add product, and now I will add a different product. Now my new product is ready, so I click save. Go to products and you can see that we have 2 products here. Now we go to online store, click customize our theme, go to design product template, click products and create template. Name this template as female collection based on default product. Create template. Change the preview to the new product by clicking here preview change and select the product we want. I just want to make one small change in this product template. So let's click product information and change the desktop media position from left to right. Now you can see that the content is in the left side and the medias are in the right side. So click save and go back to products. Now click our product and select the theme template from default product to female collection. Click save and let's visit our store. Now you can see that we have 2 products. If we click in the first one, you can see the first template we previously created. But if you go back and select the other product, you can see the second template we created for products. So media is in the right side and content in the left side. So that's all we got for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any question, write us in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more stuff. See ya.